Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to resize your product images to the same size on Shopify. Stick around till the end to learn the easy steps for getting your Shopify store looking neat and consistent. Let us get started. Open Google Chrome and search for Shopify. Click on the Shopify website from the search results. Once you are on the Shopify website, locate and click on the Login button. Choose your account or create a new one if you don't have an account already. If you are creating a new store, click on Create Store. Select the option that best describes your business and click Next. Choose the location of your business and click Next. Select a Gmail account to associate with your Shopify account. Wait for your account to finish processing and creating. After your account is created, click on Products from the left dashboard. Click on Add Product to start adding your products. Click on Upload New to upload the product image. Select the product you want to add and click Open. Once the image is uploaded, click on the image to open it. Add alt text to your product image for better accessibility. From the right panel, locate the options for Draw and Resize. Click on Resize to adjust the size of your product images to match Shopify's requirements. Enter the desired width and height of your product image. Click on Done to apply the changes. Save the resized image by clicking on Save. After saving, you will notice that the product image has been resized to the same size on Shopify. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.